Abaya. An abaya is a long, loose dress that some Muslim women wear, especially in places like Saudi Arabia. It usually covers the whole body and is worn over regular clothes when going outside. She wore a new abaya today. The abaya was black and simple. My cousin looked elegant in her flowing abaya as we walked through the crowded streets. The woman's abaya covered her clothes completely, showing only her hands and face. Robe, a loose piece of clothing that covers the body. Gown, a long dress, often worn for special occasions. Hijab, a headscarf worn by some Muslim women. Other similar words: kaftan, cloak, jilbab. Shorts, short pants that don't cover the legs. Tank top, a sleeveless shirt that doesn't cover much. Swimsuit, clothes worn for swimming, showing much of the body. Other opposite words: mini dress, sleeveless shirt, crop top.